some black girl magic. Baby hair on fleek, blue cheese on me, lot of lights on me. Black girl magic, baby hair on fleek, all these lights on me. Black girl magic, yeah, 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 yeah. Got that black girl magic.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiyonna B. Welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal HiColor highlights in the color Magenta to go ahead and dye this wig. So right here, I'm just going ahead and adding the developer in. I believe I was using the 30 volume. This is how it look after everything was mixed up. You want like a smooth consistency. I didn't really want to show y'all the whole process of me dyeing the hair because one, I'm not professional, and two, it was kind of messy. But once I got to like the closure part, the frontal part, that's when I began to kind of be like a little bit neater, even though I still ended up kind of dyeing the lace a little bit later on. But basically, once I got to the part where it was just the frontal, I just began parting it in like really small sections and then applying the dye on the hair. So basically, this is how it looked after all the dye was applied. I can't remember how long I left it on, but this ended up being the result of the color. I wish I was like a little bit brighter. I should have added in like a red dye or something like that, but I mean, I still like the color. I just wish it was like a little bit brighter. But as you can see here, I'm applying like rubber bands, like a few sections. Don't ask me why I'm doing this. I seen this on Instagram. I thought, oh, let me try this on this wig, and y'all gonna see how it ended up turning out. But basically, I'm just like pulling sections toward the middle of my face, and then tying them off so that it can kind of be even. I don't even think I was paying attention to see if like the sections were the same size. I was just doing something like this. Is why we need to stop doing stuff that was still off the internet, because I feel like after I did that first cut, I knew I kind of messed up. You can see it in my face. I don't even know why I only did 3 sections. Like, what was wrong with me? The video that I seen on Instagram, I'm pretty sure the girl had like way more sections than me. Like, why did I think this little 3 sections was gonna work? Like, I could at least did like 6. That's why you can tell it's like a big difference between like the first cut I did and the second one. Like, and as you see here, I'm trying to figure out, okay, like how am I about to fix this, because right now it's looking like real choppy. It really looked like I'm trying to cut a bob in the front. Like, I just wanted it to be really short around my face because that's how SZA hair was. But yeah, right now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm about to even this out and make it look decent, because it was looking a hot mess from that first chop. Like, it just, I don't know. I just be doing stuff. I need to stop. I need to actually try to watch more videos and try to figure it out before I just go in and start cutting hair, because look, I didn't know what I was doing. At this point, I didn't cut all I can cut. It wasn't no more fixing I can do. So I just went ahead and started trying to curl the hair and try to get it how I wanted it to be and hope for the best. I was so confused. Like, I was trying to figure out if the hair looked good or if it didn't. Because 1 minute it did and 1 minute it didn't. And then you're going to see me trying to go back in with the little razor thing, trying to fix up just a little bit more. But like I said, I cut what I could cut. Really, I messed up with that first chop. This is actually the next day, because in the previous clips it was like probably like 1 o'clock in the morning. I was like, why am I even trying to fully curl my hair? And I'm not about to finish this video tonight. So here I'm just going ahead and trying to curl the hair the best I could. I did have a little trouble trying to get it the way I wanted it to look, but it still came out cute in the end. But just continue watching, and then the next clip after this, I'll just be explaining to you guys how I think it looks. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. Like, for my first time like trying to cut my hair and layer it, I don't feel like I did too bad. It is like a little choppy. I just could not get like, for first off, I couldn't get the sides even, but also when I'm trying to like curl it and like kind of like flip it up, this side is good. Like, I can do this side, but for some reason this side just wasn't like curling like I wanted to, so I kind of just gave up. But for my first time trying to like layer my hair, I didn't do a bad job. And I didn't pay for the wig anyway, so I don't waste no money, but it still looks cute. I did use, well, I showed you guys before, but I used the L'Oreal, it's called like HiColor or Highlight Side. I've used that before, like a few years ago, like I think in like 2015 when I dyed like my real hair. Like, I didn't want to do it too bright. That's why I chose this color, because I was familiar with it. I knew like what the result was gonna be. But I mean, next time I may try to do like something like a little bit lighter to stand out, like before the summer's over with. But like I said, it didn't come out too bad. I'm still learning. This was definitely not a tutorial. I just wanted to try out the style and see how I could do. But yeah, like this side, like I like this side, but this side is just not, it ain't doing it for me. But I mean, like I said, it's still cute. This is how it looks. Oh, I forgot blue was in here. And I believe this is an 18-inch wig that I got from Supernova. Let me see. Yeah, let me try to pull it up. Okay, so I got it from Supernova's Amazon store. So it's a 13x4 lace frontal, pre-plucked with baby hair. So yeah, it is 18-inch wig. I would put the link in the bio. Not the bio, wow. I'm gonna put the link in the description box just in case if you guys want to purchase it. But yeah, the wig is actually really thick. I did thin it out a little bit. But like I said, this was more so me just trying to test out this hairstyle just to see if I could do it. Like I said, I didn't do too bad. One style is a little bit better than the other, but I'm still learning, so this is how she's looking. Oh, look at that. It's just this side, it ain't evening up to the other side. And I thought this side was gonna be actually easier for me to do. I don't know. Like, I tried to watch a bunch of videos to see like how to get the layer look, like how I wanted to look like how SZA's was, where there's like multiple different layers, but I could not find a video like where it looked exactly like hers. So I kind of have to figure it out, but still giving. I really kind of wish, like, hey, so originally I was gonna go with like the copper color. I'll insert a picture here of like her hair, the one I seen on Instagram. So originally I was gonna go with this color, but I kind of chickened out at the last minute and said, let me just go with something that I know is gonna look good, which is this magenta color. But I kind of wish I would have went ahead and tried that copper color, cause this, like, I already know this color looks good on me. Like, this is my go-to color, like the dark maroon, burgundy color, magenta, whatever. But like I said, this is my first time actually trying to like cut and layer my hair. I didn't do a bad job, but I've seen worse videos. But this is how it is in the back. Still cute. I really want to see how it looks like if I was like to curl it a little bit. But for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to do it straight because I wanted it to like curl under, like how I seen in on the picture that she posted on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's been a while. Like, I'm trying to get back into the thing. Like, I'm trying to get back into like recording. So if I'm like stuttering over my words or like stuff not making sense, like I'm just trying to get back into like the process of filming, because like the last video that I recorded was like back in March, which I'm gonna post before I post this video. So it's been a while. Like, I'm in a new environment, like, well, a new environment as like a new apartment. I moved in May. So like that's why you can see like my bathroom is like a way bigger bathroom. Only thing I don't like is if I'm recording here. That's why I kind of got the camera at an angle, because I don't want you to see like the toilet. I just feel like that looks weird. But yeah, so hopefully I'm gonna try to stay consistent. Like, I do want to kind of venture out a little bit, because I've always wanted to do like some type of like cooking type videos. yeah, like in the kitchen, I really love the kitchen. I recorded the first part of this video in the kitchen just because I didn't want to like stain the sink in the bathroom or the tub. Yes, I do want to try like some cooking type videos. Definitely more like beauty videos. And now that I'm in like the restroom area is bigger, the counter is bigger, so I can actually like be in the restroom, like stand in front of the mirror, record. I can once I put my ring light back on the stand, I can actually sit that on top of the counter while I'm also filming. So yeah, more videos to come. Trying to stay consistent because I am working now again, so that's like a little bit difficult, like working full time and then still trying to record like when I have my like off days. And I've been in training, just like learn new skill at work, so I've been working like Monday through Friday and I've had like 2 days off, which is the weekend. But I'll be back in my normal schedule starting I believe next week. So once I get back in my normal schedule, my off days are going to be random, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult trying to be a little bit more consistent. But I'm just trying to get back in the groove of things because like I said, I've had a video just sitting on my laptop for like, let's see, March, April, May, for like really about 3 months. That hasn't been that I haven't finished editing yet. But this is pretty much all for this video. Like I said, this definitely was not a tutorial because I'm not nobody's hairstylist. Like I just barely started wearing like wigs where you gotta lay down this year, like 2021. So it's only been, well, not about to be 7 months. This is only my third frontal wig. So I'm still learning, so nothing is perfect yet. But like I said, this is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Just to stay tuned for more content. If you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment down below how you guys think I did and what I could have done better. Like, just give me like a few tips of yours. One thing I am going to start doing is I'm going to start using like the lace glue. I've just been really scared to try that because like I said, I'm still new to wearing wigs. Like I don't want to mess up. But hopefully my next wig video that I do, hopefully I'll be using like a lace glue. So if you have any type of tips for that as well, like what do you prefer or what do you personally use, comment that down below as well. But like I said, that's all for this video. I did what I could do. I'm just gonna stay on this side. Okay, so that's all for this video. I did what I can do. Just let me know what you guys think. Like I said, don't forget to comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.